Hello everyone, today we have my first YouTube equipment. So let's get started and unbox it. So this is the equipment I have ordered. You guys can see it's a Boya BY-M1 microphone and you can connect it to your smartphone, your tablets, your PC or laptop, your camcorders and your DSLR cameras as well. After a lot of research, this was the only product which came under my budget and was the best in all the segments. If you are planning to start your YouTube channel and also if you are a beginner and don't have a very good budget and you want to improve the quality of the audio you are recording, then this is the best recommendation you can get from anywhere else. I have ordered it from Amazon at rupees 779. If you guys want to buy it, I will also leave the link is in the description. So let's open the box and check what we are getting inside it. So inside the box we will get these four things. This is our main product. Here we have our microphone and the accessories. It's the quality certificate, it's a warranty card, and it's a user manual which you can take help from to know how this microphone works. Let's open this packet and see what we are getting inside it. So these are the four things we are getting inside the packet. It's a condenser, or you can say it's a filter. It helps in blocking or reducing most of the background noises during the time of recording. It's a clip through which we can attach the microphone to our clothing. It's a jack which we can use to connect to our camcorders or DSLRs. And it's our microphone and it's the controller. As you can see, you have to slide this controller to use the microphone. When it towards camera, then it means you are using a camera to connect to the microphone, and when it towards off/smartphone, it means you are using your smartphone to connect to the microphone. So let's start and let's have a difference between the voice which will get recorded normally and through this microphone. First of all, let me show you guys how you can attach this clip to your microphone. So there is a holder, this holder you can see, and you have to attach your microphone like this to that clip, and now you can attach this clip to the piece of your clothing and then you are ready to go. So the voice you are hearing right now, it's coming from my smartphone's microphone, and the voice which you are hearing right now, it's being recorded from the microphone. So you can easily judge the difference between the normal microphone of your smartphone and the voice quality of this microphone. And the speciality of this microphone is that you are getting a 20 feet long cable. So the device to which you are connecting your microphone, you can place that device 20 feet apart from your mic. So I hope you guys can understand what is the benefit you guys will get if you will buy this microphone. I will leave the link in the description box, and I will also leave the link of my Instagram account. You can follow me on Instagram as well and suggest me some topics for which you want me to upload videos. I will upload the videos on the topic of highest interest. So till then, see ya, have a good day. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and please also share it with your friends.